If it didn't rain, I'd be ripping them corners. But no, Mother Nature had to be worse and start crying. Look, I'm sorry I pulled the leaves off one of your trees. Bloody, there we go. Don't drop the bike, don't drop the bike, don't drop the bike. I've never dropped it before, so... Hey, it's a first time for everything. What? There's a first time for everything. See, that's what we're going to be doing in traffic. What? What? Wow. I think mine's allowed a CRA. I'm gonna get pulled over. I'm gonna get pulled over. Oh no. Oh, it's so wet. Oh, I got that on camera. You're right. What? Oh, okay. I can't see. I hate you, wet weather. I hate you. They're after us! Oh, we're good, we're good. This is why I don't like wearing sense advisors. I can't see. I can't see. Where are we going? Where are we going? Okay, we're cool. Okay, so I see what's going on now. We do have a learner in the group, and she is currently in front of the rest of them. So she's just taking it slow. And yeah, no, but everything's going alright. It's just it's a bit hard to explain, but you'll be alright. What's up, dude? Scooter Bros? Not wearing a visor is getting like rocks thrown at your face. It hurts. You're like way back. Yeah. It's so wet. See, my feet just slide.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Yeah, no, learner's at the front, so yeah. Alright, we're cool. My mic adapter still works. Testing, testing. Ooh. Nice and slow. I have the bad habit of just like launching the bike because it's so wet. I can't do that. Stay there, don't hit me. Arigato gozaimasu. Not MTO7, yeah! Ow, ow, I can't see. Please, Heaven Almighty, make it stop raining. I just want to enjoy my time off. I betcha, as soon as we hit Surface Paradise or something, it's not gonna rain. I've got so much torque on the MTO7 that if I give it a little bit, my rear tire's gonna spin out. Oh, we lost the leader! That was a bit sketchy there. He's cool? Yeah? Ooh. Neutral. Why do you have to be wet? Why does it have to rain? Oh, my bloody face. See, the only downside to me is I got two problems. First of all, both my visors are tinted. I've got the goggles up top. Second of all, I can't see anything through them, even if they're wet. And then it's also wet roads. Ow. See, we tried connecting our Sena, but unfortunately it didn't work because Sena couldn't keep it simple, where I just wanted like just a little button you could push. And then, yeah, so we're kind of just like yelling through the helmet like crazy people. What? 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 I thought we're getting somewhere. What? Arigato gozaimasu. Ugh, I hate these tight corners. It feels like I'm just gonna sweat. The rain's slowly dying down though, that's a good thing. Why are there cars like still staying behind us? Rain, rain, go away, come again another. Ow! Fuck! Man, stop raining! Ow! Can't see through my visors. You wanna go, bro? You wanna go, bro? If it wasn't raining, I'd smoke your ass. We'd all smoke your ass. That's right, drive away. Drive away, boy. Don't wanna see you around here no more. Uh-oh. Where are we going? We're like so lost. Wait, what? Okay, yep, they're still there. But even though this has gone a little funny, like unscheduled, unplanned, you know, like, you know, we all got to start somewhere. But it is still fun, just on my behalf. Yeah, just on my behalf. I don't know. It's not funny when the rainwater hits me in the face. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. What? I don't know either. I don't know what's going on. We're like doing the most randomest things and then there's cars behind us. There's like 2 extra people just behind that car that's riding with us, but we're trying to make them catch up, but like I said, because there's a loner in it, it's just making things a little bit funny. It's not a bad thing, alright? It's not a bad thing. They're having their experience. They're having a moment. At least it's getting dry. See, that's the thing. Like I said, there's like a wall of some sort where it just doesn't rain on one part of the city and it just happens to rain on the other. It's just a bit weird. It's and they're back with us. Woohoo! We're now the Eagle Squadron. It's still partially wet, but I'm enjoying it. The drier the roads, the better it'll become. Zeus, please go away just for this one moment, you know. We're enjoying ourselves. Already! Well, then screw you. Sometimes those scooters look like the bloody ZX-14s, man. They have almost the same appearance from a long distance. It's I don't know. I think it's just the way I think of things. Ba-dum, 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 bum. Sunshine, lollipops, and I don't know why, but when you're normally in a group ride, you just tend to do things you don't normally do on your own half the time. Like, I'm sure some of you guys have at least done something that you don't normally do when you're just sitting in traffic. And my damn thing's so low. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What? What? I beat you, I think. They revved, so I started revving, so. Jeffrey, what's up? Okay, settle down. We don't want to get the police on us. It is fun though, so. Alright, not now. Too much police. Alright, go on. Don't want to leave him behind. Where are we going? We're taking a turn. Yeah, like, and I got cars coming up on us. Where are we going? This is so confusing. You're just kind of like half-assing it. Oh, lane scamming, it is one. We can now do super because the roads are dry. I'm so confused on what's going on. I'm so confused. Dude, you know he's gonna win, right? He's got a 750 GSXR. Or GSX, I'm not sure, it's just a bit confusing. Ow, my eyes. It'd be a really funny time just to ditch him. Imagine if we went straight, we all turned right. Oh man, that'd be the funniest thing, eh? Oh, the police! It's the police! Hi officer! Don't mind us, just riding around. Doing stupid Don't pull us over just because we're having fun. What are you, the fun police? Damn, I'm not funny at all, aren't I? Yeah. It's been a while since I cleaned the damn lens. See, that's the thing, half the time I forget about that you guys are on board with me. Yeah, just let me wipe your face again. Attaboy. Can you see? Oh, he's got a bi-turbo, he's got AMG, oh, something. Go up against the R6 back there, you'll surely lose. Oh wait, it's a 63. I don't know. You might win. Nah, I guarantee you'll win. I should like flash a flashlight at the rear of him and make it look like you got caught. Yeah, wanna go? Wait, look, no rain whatsoever. Like I said, the roads are completely dry, and then back there it's all wet. See, and they're still cleaning up after the Commonwealth Games, and it's taking them that long. They had so much people on hand, now it's just taking them this long. And it's only been like a week. I wonder where to put the snipers at too. Bet you they're on top of that building. Yeah, I'm not gonna bump you. You guys good? Alright. No. He red bombed me. Konnichiwa! You did that on purpose, didn't you? Oh, well. I heard that. Someone was on their phone. Naughty. What are they doing? What's going on over there? Jeez. Dude, there was like a gun found in that parking lot. Literally a bloody handgun. Yeah, no, is that even a park? Yes, it is. No, it's a parking lot. Trust me. But yeah, literally, there was a gun found in the parking lot. Like, just some random dude found it. Good thing he handed it in. I mean, like, most people would have just kept it for themselves. Ugh. We're taking over the Gold Coast, one street at a time. 2 scooters. They're gonna get a bit of a surprise when they see like the 5. Oh my gosh, they're way behind. What's up? So we're all having fun here. We're all having fun. Good day, sir. See, now we got scooters in the group. How cool is that? See, life on 2 wheels isn't as bad. And I just named one of my subscribers without realizing it until just then. Yeah. What's up, dude? I'm a pull a bit over. Please don't stop behind me. Just keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Still record? Wow. Awesome. Nah, seriously, this is actually fun, guys. This is absolutely fun. That's not fun, but this is still fun. We made it! We made it! Hi, John! Hi, John! Hi! That's cool. Yeah, because you redline it. Yeah, you just sit in traffic. Your bike's heavier though. Hey. Alright, you'll go. Bye. Today was a good day. Apart from the stuff that I just heard a couple minutes ago. Oh Jesus. Oh, I'm scarred for life. Anyways, boys and girls. Alright, I'm just gonna try and end the video here. If you like the video, leave a like. Leave a comment down below if you guys wanted to say something, you know, whatever you want, even if it's out of the ordinary. And if you're new to the videos, hit the subscribe button. I upload every week. Sometimes. So, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Peace. You guys can't even see my fingers. Peace.
With